Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Janes. We are going to try to go live at 2 p.m. this afternoon. We have a customer that when it rains, when it rains hard, the water just floods into her house. This customer has been waiting so long, and of course, the hurricane is making it even more of a delay. So we're going to try to go live at 2 p.m. here in Oviedo, Florida. This is a suburb of Orlando, right during the hurricane. We have a customer who has been waiting so long, and of course the hurricane is making even more delays. But what we can do is try to beat Mother Nature. The question, can we beat Mother Nature? I'm going to try to stop by there today, possibly tomorrow, but I'm going to set up the sump pumps, batteries, and we're going to see if we can keep up with the rainfall of a hurricane. Be sure to click subscribe and the notification button in order to find out when we go live, because I'm not exactly sure of the time. It all depends on where I am, where the storm is, where the thunderstorms are. A lot of things to contend with, but I hope that you tune in. It should be very interesting.